Hello everyone, welcome to another hiking video. This is also a test video for my system. As you may have, if you've been watching some of my videos, you know that I have a GoPro Black. Hello. So I've done several videos on my Black, and I've been adjusting a few settings here and there as I go along, and I think I got the setting I want for my walk in the Spirit videos and my hiking videos. Although in my hiking videos, if I'm going to go to a really nice location, I may, make it better quality. I am at the Preserve, which is a trail in DePere. Oh, I already see. I made it to the part where I was before. I came through those trees. I came up to this corner and came up to this corner and I stopped. But I'm going to go down here to the bridge and then I'll come back and do this end. So after doing several videos, I think I got the settings I want. This is going to be a test for those settings. Yesterday I went to Pere Glen. I went to Pere Glen. I went there like 2-3 weeks ago. I wanted to hit that place. Let me adjust this just a little bit. I wanted to hit it 2 or 3 weeks ago because of the snow thaw to make the waterfall bigger. Because there wasn't much snow at that point. I was like, if I'm going to go do that waterfall, I better do it now. So I went, but it was real busy out there, a lot of people. And then 2 days ago we had rain here. And I thought, oh, I should go do Pere Glen on a weekday after a rain. I might have as much water as I did 2-3 weeks ago. Hope so. Well, I went out there, actually had more water than my visit 2 or 3 weeks ago. There was so much water that the place across the stream above the waterfall, all those rocks were completely underwater. So I found a place down below, only one place that I could cross. It was a place that my wife actually found when we were there 3 weeks ago. So I crossed there. No one was there. I brought my tripod so I could get some stable, excellent footage of the rapids, of the waterfall, and all that. So that'll be processing. I actually got the hiking version uploading now. Then I'm going to do a high quality version I'm going to use for my intros and outros and things like that. So I did the first mile here at the Preserve, and I thought it was a really nice place, but it's too loud. It's next to the highway. You can see it over there. Well, so it gets quite loud next to the highway here. But we're just going to walk to this bridge and turn around. We'll walk over it. Now, I have other news concerning my setup. Have you noticed anything different about this footage so far? Besides the quality being pretty good, but it's been better since I've got the GoPro. How about try listening? Do you notice anything different about the audio? Well, now you're going to hear the traffic behind me. But no, I finally got my microphone going. You see, I was running my GoPro 7 White, and I bought everything I needed for exterior audio. And I believe I was getting mixed results. Although many claim that I wasn't getting any exterior audio at all, which is possible. So I stopped using it. Well, when I got my GoPro Black 5 used about a month ago, I tested it all on there, and sure enough, my audio adapter did not work at all. No sound. So I bought a new one. So I already had microphones. I bought like a boom microphone, they call it, I think, which is one of the recommended ones with the GoPro. I forget what brand it is. And so I went and bought another microphone adapter, and so now I am using an external microphone. It does add weight to the camera, so I have the selfie stick a little bit shorter to compensate for that. So that's probably going to be the norm now. If I use the microphone, that is, I will probably have my selfie stick at a shorter length. So I like this trail, but it's too close to the highway, so I'm going to explore this way, because now we're leaving the highway at that point back there, and it should be much quieter. So we'll see if this is a good trail or not for me. So we'll check out the sound. I did a quick test video to make sure it was working at home, but I want to do a full-fledged video here with all my settings outside, and also wanted to test this trail. So I had business here on this side of town, so I thought I'd come over here. Let's just do a spin. Now this microphone is like projects, so it's one directional, so we should hear less sound on the other side of the camera. The bad thing about that is I like to do this, you know, turn around and point at places I want to zoom in at. Now you can hear me because I tested this already, but it's definitely much more quiet. Which it'll work, that's fine. I was already trying to get used to being more quiet when I'm behind the camera because it's so much louder when I'm right there. Now I probably don't have to concentrate that as much. It'll be naturally more quiet for me. Hello. Now the trail, I believe, is going to go through more commercial area. That's Super Walmart over there. I'll be heading to Walmart after hiking today. Also want to make sure, I'm using a wind muff on my microphone. I want to make sure it's high enough that the wind muff here doesn't have any fuzzies hanging down in my picture. I've got it raised up, I don't know, probably almost 2 inches, you know, to the center of the microphone. I would say the fluff of the they call it a dead cat or a wind muff, is probably 1.5 inches above the screen of the camera. So I don't know exactly where this is going. We'll find out. I don't think it ends here. I thought there was another mile. And we probably only went like a third of a mile from the bridge. Try not to put you in the sun. Although I noticed the camera does pretty well with the sun. You know, I'm pretty good at trying to keep the camera out of the sun, but it doesn't really like blind your eyes or anything. Oh, here we go. Look at this. I got a big sign for the Preserve, DePere Park Departments. That's where we are, the Preserve in DePere. I think we got to cross the street here. That's what it looks like, right? I think that's just a sidewalk. I think that's our path across the street. Looks like they got parking here. That's nice. People probably prefer walking that way. It's prettier. There's woods. It's just too loud for my video. I think this is the way we're supposed to go. I did look at a map of this place, but that was probably, you know, before I went out here 3 weeks ago, and I think it just went straight this way. I don't know. This is the Shopko building here, and it's of course shut down. Shopko closed about a year ago. I think the only thing they got running nowadays is their optical. I thought wearing a long sleeve shirt over my short sleeve shirt would be sufficient, but I'm actually a little cold. Not bad though. Up there sitting next to the path. Let's see if they'll fly away when we get up there. I'll keep the camera pointed towards it as I walk that way, so you can see how they respond. Oh, there's more geese over there. Some over there laying down like sleeping. Oh, one poked his head up. Two poked their head up. Up there, some of them flew away, and some are still up there. And there they go. Yeah, should have brought a jacket. I'll be fine though. Fairly certain we are on the right trail. I don't think they would just normally put a sidewalk here. So far, I'm not too impressed with this end. If I want a commercial area trail, I liked the Packerland Drive one much better. Geese. Ackerland Trail one was much better, and the area where you go from the East River Trail to Baird's Creek, that cross in between there, that one was more interesting, although I wouldn't call that commercial, it was more industrial, but there were some businesses there too. Sunsets around a little after 7, thanks to daylight savings change there, and spring is here. I think we started this video around 6, so that gave us an hour to do this trail, and even so I think you get some light after sunset for about 20 minutes. I've noted that when doing other videos. But then after 20 minutes it gets dark pretty quick, and I don't have my light for my camera here today. So folks, if you're watching this, please comment below on what you think of the visual video settings and what you think of the audio. Is it better than my previous videos? Let me know down below, please, in the comments. Let's just do a spin. Hearing some geese somewhere over here. I notice with my black, I have to do my spins slower. I've noticed my black has more of that fisheye effect than the white did. That's the only negative I've seen so far with the black versus the white. And that fisheye effect is very prevalent in these spins I do, especially if I do them quickly. So my spins have to be shorter. I think there's one of those ditch ponds over there, and that might be where the geese are. Oh no, they're across the road. I shan't be zooming. I discussed that in a previous video. If you didn't hear that video, so I'm going to give you the rundown again on what's going on with my channel. I've been cranking out too many hiking videos. I'm probably going to tone them down slightly in quantity, but definitely tone them down in editing. So I'm not going to do post-production auto coloring correct, but having the 7 black should give you better quality. I've just been spending too much time editing videos when my hiking videos is my secondary purpose on YouTube, not my primary purpose. Some marshy area up ahead. I haven't been on this side of town very much. There's a big hospital down there. I've been to that hospital 2 or 3 times, I think. Once visiting someone and once as a patient myself. I also came down this way to check out a church once, and I think that's about it. I mean, I've been to Walmart, but no further. That would be south. Area here. Again, I think this is some of Shopko's buildings, or maybe other buildings, I don't know. I wore my boots because the last time out here it was really muddy, but this part of the trail is all cement, so that's nice. But so far, what I'm seeing, I won't be back here. I mean, that's just for me because I'm doing videos. Birds on the marsh grass is kind of cool. I love those bird sounds. It's good to hear them. Now, is this the end of my trail? This might be the end of my trail, folks. Looks like it does cross, so we'll continue if that's so. So this may not be the end. I may go back to my shorter selfie stick. I bought this one because it's a little longer, but if I'm going to be using this microphone, I can't have it way out there, it's too heavy. Let's do a spin. Now this video I'm probably going to do a little more editing than other hiking videos. I probably will just do color correction because I want to see what the end result is going to be, because this is going to mimic my walk in the spirit videos. The settings, that is. I don't think I've seen any... Oh, I was just going to say, I haven't seen any trail markers on distance, but there's one there. Of course, I could have walked past a few without noticing them. I think it says 0.3, so we're pretty close to the end. Again, I think we had we'll probably have done, well, by the time we go back, it'll be almost 2 miles. You know, this is a decent trail. If you're looking for, this would be a really good bike trail. If you're in the DePere area, I would recommend this one for biking, jogging. I wouldn't recommend this for hiking. Oh, there's deer over there. Oh, by the way, there is another negative to the black. The black does not allow me to zoom with my camera while recording. I have to zoom before I start recording. So the white actually has two features that I prefer. So I can't zoom here while recording, and I will not be zooming in editing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 8 deer. Some are running this way. That's funny. Definitely have their attention. Waterway here. That's right. I'm going to slow down on my spins. I've been recording for 25 minutes already. sun is still above the buildings. We're good. Deer are still watching me. Some ducks. Gonna land in the water. I'm gonna keep going. I lost track of them. Oh, I see them landing now, but they're too probably far away for the camera to pick up. Deer are still watching me. And I don't know how much you can see of them either. I'll pick up my speed just a little bit. Again, I don't know if this ends here or what. Well, no, that's not a third of a mile, so. Some marsh grass here. Shorter marsh grass here. No trespassing, private property. Oop, can't step past that line there, folks. Now there's a really wide sidewalk on the main road over here, and I was wondering if this trail goes there and will be part of that. I don't know. 0.1 miles. So we're really close. I love the bird calls. Sure you got that one. The microphone was pointing right towards him. So this is probably where the trail ends. I'm guessing. 0.1 isn't very far. If so, that didn't make it to the main road, which is over there. That intersection down there. Cool looking building. I like that red and black. Pretty snazzy. Oh, they got some art over there. Well, trail does. It takes a right, but we're probably close to the end. Up there. It's a decent trail, but I won't be back. It's cool art, huh? Is that the end of our trail there? It's gotta be, right? I like that. So this looks like it's the end, folks. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off. I'll be back in a moment. Alright, so I just wanted to cross the street, come over here and get a closer look at this art. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's head back over before we get in trouble for going and look at the art. Didn't see no signs, so I took the liberty. Let's see, make sure we're recording. We are. Alright, we're gonna pick up our speed. We've seen everything once already. Kind of an odd place to end the trail. All right, pick up speed. Sun's still above the buildings quite a bit. This field over here on this side, not much to see over here. I can definitely feel the weight. It wants to turn and slip out of my hands much easier. I do have another microphone, one that clips on and has a wire. This one's wireless. I'll probably try the wired microphone in a future video. And I could take the wind muff off this one. That wind muff brings a lot of attention. People are like, what's that? But it'll stop a lot of the wind noise. So I'm just leave it on. If I know it's going to be a calm day, or I know I'm going to be, you know, in the woods where there's a lot of trees to slow the wind, maybe I'll leave it home or in the car. Straight back. Probably a little dark for the GoPro, even though the sun is straight in front of me and still up in the sky. And the deer have retreated into the edge of the field. You may not see them. closer to the building, the sun is slipping almost, yep, there it goes. Sun has slipped behind the building as I'm real close to it now. See? No sun. Oh, as I'm walking further down, the sun will start peeking out. It's definitely harder to maintain a level camera with this microphone. So if I get tired of that, that other microphone may be much better for me. It's just the wire is so long on that thing. He's singing to us. I think they said that was it the blackbirds or the orioles. I put it in a video about a month ago. They'll be one of the first birds back. This must be them. In the street. Geese flying right towards us. Oh, they're veering to the right. Oh, now they're veering towards us. I think the sun sets closer to 7:30 than 7. So we've been going, I said 25 minutes, probably 10 minutes ago, right? This side's more interesting to see. More of this. One setting I tried due to one or two videos on setting for the camera was not use high sharpness. Some said use low. One said use medium. I went with medium for like 2 or 3 videos. I kind of liked the look, but then I went with high sharpness, which we're doing now today. And I like that a lot better. I like the high sharpness. The medium has an interesting look, a soft look. really haven't used the front screen on my GoPro Black. The white doesn't have a front screen, you know. So right now I can see I'm recording at 10 minutes 41 seconds. I didn't have that option with my white. You can see what else it tells me here. My battery is, I think, about 55%. One setting I'm changed is I was recording 60 frames per second, and the video was amazing, but boy did that eat up the battery. So I'm going down to 30. They ate up the battery and the video files were really large. So I think 30 will be sufficient for me. Again, unless I want to do, you know, like Fonferret Glen Falls, someplace beautiful, and I want that beautiful footage covered, then I'll probably go to 60. See, I hang my hand low, and that's not no good. Let's feel the weight. Alright folks, I gotta tie my shoe, it came loose. Be right back. Yep, I was able to see the back of the camera. It said 49%, so the front gives a pretty good, it doesn't have a number, it just shows like a little battery and how full it is. So that's kind of accurate in my understanding. .7 miles. So yeah, we'll have done about 2 miles today. There's the moon. Now it's getting darker. The moon is getting brighter. You might not be able to see it, or it might be just a speck. Now that I'm walking faster, I'm definitely warmer now. It's probably cooler, but because of all my walking, I warmed myself up. Here comes the sun as we go around the building again. Sun's gonna set probably 10-15 minutes, maybe 20. looking down when I walk by them. Maybe these geese are used to being at Bay Beach where people feed them. The geese will look for the corn you throw at them on the ground. They were looking at the ground as I walked by them. I noticed that when I walked by the first time, but I didn't make note of it and make the connection. So I'm guessing these geese have been at Bay Beach and used to being fed by people. Bay Beach Wildlife Sanctuary, to be more clear. .9. So that's 2 miles there, here and back. Plus we walked a bunch that way to the bridge. So we'll probably have 2.5 miles on this walk, folks. My legs were sore from doing Fonferret Glen. Oh, up and down those steep banks and up and down those rocks. Whew. My legs are feeling it. Tomorrow, it's Friday night. Tomorrow is Saturday, of course. And Saturday is when I usually go out and do my videos, but it's going to be raining tomorrow. So I will have to go out Sunday. And I think this is where I'm parked, folks. I'm guessing I have like 2 minutes or less. So hope you enjoyed this video. Mostly this was testing this trail because I wanted, you know, I'm out trying new trails. This one's going to be a pass. Other trails I've tried so far, some of them have been good, like Packerland Drive Trail. I enjoyed that. So, and also testing my microphone today and my new settings. So once again, please comment down below if you like the visual settings that I'm using here, and I will be doing the auto color correct, okay? But I won't be doing that on most of my hiking videos in the future. And please comment on the sound if you thought it was good, better than my previous, you know, using the microphone on the GoPro itself. So we'll see you soon. My car is right here. And this will conclude this video probably in about 30 seconds or so. Started out quite cold. No, I should say cold. Cool. I was quite cool, but I definitely warmed up here at the end. All right, folks. We'll see you again soon, Lord willing. Bye-bye, folks.